Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate. For those of you who are new here, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram. It's always linked down below, and I will leave it right here on the screen so you can follow me. I'm really into vlogging right now, and I don't really know why. It's like 9:30 right now. I just got home from work, and you're probably like, what do you mean? It's 9 o'clock in the morning. You just got home from work. I work like a few hours in the morning, and then I'm done by like 9 o'clock, so it's like 6 to 9. It's like a little shift, so it's kind of like fun in a way because I like wake up in the morning and then I have like a little break in between, and then on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays I have like a break in between, and then I have to go back to work. So it's like kind of cool because I can like do my own thing. And then Wednesdays and Mondays and Sundays are my days off, and I work Saturdays. So if you're wondering, probably not, but I don't know if you're curious as to what my work schedule is. Oh my god, my hair. I am gonna make a smoothie. I'm gonna show you guys my recipe because it's so bomb. Like, oh my god, I have it like every day now. It's so good. I'm gonna show you my smoothie recipe. Also, I'm kind of like in the middle of making a blog. I've like always wanted to make a blog, and I was just like sitting in my bed the other day and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna like start just like messing around with it. Like, I haven't been doing much with it. Like, I'm just kind of like messing around and see like how to do it, because honestly I like don't really understand anything yet. So I've just been like researching about having a blog and watching YouTube videos and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll show you guys like a little snippet of it in a little bit. But I've just like always wanted a blog because I love writing, and I also like showing like little things that like wouldn't be able to that I wouldn't be able to make like into a whole YouTube video, you know? Like say I wanted to like make a video about my smoothie that I'm about to show you guys. Like, I couldn't make like a whole video just on like making one smoothie. So I thought like, oh, if I make a blog, like I could make one post just like about my smoothie, you know what I mean? Because I feel like it would just be weird making whole YouTube videos around like little things, you know? And I've just like always wanted to make a vlog. I love writing and I love taking pictures and stuff like that. Also, I just want to have like my own website because that'd be cool. So I don't know what's gonna happen with it, but I'll show you guys what I've been doing with it in a little bit. And I'm gonna make my smoothie now. So these are all the ingredients for the smoothie that I've been making. I just used coconut milk. I actually just picked this up. I've never used coconut milk. I've just been like putting it in this smoothie, and it's actually really good, and I kind of like it better than almond milk. So I've been using this coconut milk by the brand So Delicious, and then I have some frozen bananas that I cut up and then just put it in like a little snack bag and put it in the freezer. Mixed berries, honey. You don't really need honey, but I just like honey. So this is just raw organic honey. Some almond butter by the brand Maranatha. I don't really know how to pronounce that. Some coconut flakes, and then cacao nibs to top it off. And I don't like to put too much coconut milk because I like it to be like thick rather than just like really watery, you know? So I'll put like that much. Sad because I made it too watery. I put too much coconut milk. Yesterday I made it so good. It was like so thick, like an acai bowl. Oh my god, it was so good. But it's still yummy. I didn't make it as thick as I wanted it to be, but it still is so good. Seriously, try this. So this is all I've really done with the website so far. I'm just kind of like messing around. I'm not like taking it seriously right now. I don't know. I'm still trying to like figure it out and everything, but this would just be like the home page, and I have basically everything that my YouTube channel is about, but like it would be like little mini articles, you know? So like health and wellness, fashion, beauty, and stuff like that. And then I just made like this little logo. I don't even know if I like that. And then like obviously some of this stuff is still like the template that it came with, so these would obviously be my posts that I would do, and then I like connected my Instagram with it, which I think looks kind of cool. And then I put like my YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and yeah, I'm not really like doing much with it now. I'm just kind of like playing around and seeing how having a blog works, and I'm using the Wix website and it's very easy to use. So I don't know, it's just been like fun to like mess around with it and see what it would look like and everything. So I'm not really sure, but keep on the lookout for that. Obviously, like having a website, you need to pay for every month to have your own domain. So obviously I would want my own name to be the website. So I have to think about that. And yeah, but that's just what it looks like right now. I just think having a blog would just be really fun, and like it would make more sense to like have a blog to do like little articles rather than like making YouTube videos about like one little thing, you know what I mean? Like I said earlier, that smoothie recipe I just showed you, like I wouldn't be able to make a whole YouTube video on that. Well, I could, but it would just be like really boring. So I feel like it would just like make more sense for it to be like on a blog. I just finished my smoothie and I'm probably gonna go to the gym. It's 10 o'clock right now. So I'll probably go to the gym for like 45 minutes. I've been doing the 12-3-30 rule by Lauren Giraldo. She used to be really big on Vine. You probably know her. She has like this treadmill routine where it's an incline of 12, a speed of 3 for 30 minutes. And I've been really enjoying it because it goes by really quickly. It's just like fun to do because I like hate going on the treadmill, but it's like fun going on an incline, and 30 minutes isn't that long. And it's just like a nice way to get your heart rate going. I've been loving doing that and doing like a little ab workout after that, or I'll do like whatever region of my body I'm doing. Like I'll do my abs after, or legs, arms, whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm doing at the gym. I just got out of the shower a little bit ago. I did some makeup because usually when I'm home and like not going back to work or whatever, I like to do my makeup and like get ready a little bit. That way I'm not like laying in my bed and falling asleep, taking a nap, whatever. So that's a little tip for you. Just like get ready, you know, because I feel like you'll be more productive if you have, I mean, like, you don't have to wear makeup if you don't wear makeup or whatever, but just like putting on an outfit and doing your hair a little bit, whatever, taking a shower and just putting on like real clothes instead of pajamas or whatever. I mean, obviously I'm in a sweatshirt right now, but I did my makeup, so that will prevent me from just like laying in my bed and doing nothing.
Kayla, what are you doing?
I'm at home.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Mom's coming.
I know.
Ice cream.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye. Love you.
Love you.
Okay. That is my little brother Corey. Anyways, but yeah, just like putting on an outfit, doing your makeup, whatever it may be, just to help you be productive throughout the day. But yeah, I'm hungry right now. I need to eat some lunch or something. Also, I'm like bored, and when I'm bored I want to go shopping, but not the best idea right now, because if you watched my 2020 goals, I am working really hard on saving my money and not spending on things I don't need, and I literally haven't bought like anything this year. It's only been like 1 month, but I legit like haven't bought anything. Just like I've only been spending money on, oh my gosh, she's calling me again. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I literally haven't bought anything. I've only been spending money on like my car payment and everything like that, like things that I need to pay for, and I'm kind of proud of myself, so that's been good. But I don't know what I want to eat for lunch. I'm really hungry, but I don't know what I want. I'm just gonna make an egg sandwich because I'm like craving one right now for some odd reason, and there's really like nothing else to eat. I have to go food shopping, but while I'm waiting for my pan to heat up and my bread to toast, I'm gonna cut up some bananas because you guys can't see me. I'm going to cut up some bananas because that is what I use to make those smoothies that I showed you guys how to make. And I like to freeze them because I feel like it makes it taste so much better when the fruit is like frozen rather than just putting like a regular banana in your smoothie, you know. It makes it thicker and it just makes it taste better. So I am just going to cut up 2 bananas and freeze them so I have them for my smoothies. And I just put them in like little sandwich bags and put them in the freezer. Guess this is my lunch. Yummy. Not really, I don't know. I'm just like, I don't know, I'm like craving it right now, but at the same time I like don't really want it. I don't know. I'm still gonna eat it anyways. I need to go food shopping, but I don't know if I want to go today, you know? Okay, so for the past like hour, I've literally been sitting here at the table working on my blog, and I just wrote my first post, which is so exciting. I was just like fooling around with it, and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna like test out and write my first post. And so I did. It's not like uploaded, like the website obviously isn't published or anything, but I think that I'm going to work on this for a little bit more and make sure I can like master, well obviously I'm not gonna master how to use a blog, but I just want to be more familiar with it because I still don't understand some things and I'm still learning how to use the website. But I definitely think that I'm going to publish this soon, so be on the lookout for that. I'm like so excited. This is so fun. Like blogging is really fun. And I just like love hobbies like this. Like I love sharing my things with other people, you know? It's just like something I've always loved doing, which is why I love doing YouTube, and I love editing videos. I love creating videos and all that stuff. So I definitely love being a creative person and just sharing my content with the world. It's just something that I'm really passionate about, and it's basically what I want to do for my job in my life. So yeah, I just want to tell you that you should be on the lookout for my blog because I'm so excited. This is so much fun and I love it.